Menteri Rang Bak Sarkar Jelau Konat Kongkal Sangmau lo ai kat tu di jing tho ok bede jing ja kan at hama def khola temple da ka bolong ba kate jing ja kan at kam de setia jing pher hapeng ki Kynhun jing Niam re gede jing pher jing mon hapeng ki ar Kynhun. Menteri Rang Bak lo maham juru ba ki bron kti ban pen he yo ling ba gi lat phatai khobor kin ha ba khli hi balon kam jing rap na sarkar kan persang ban sim ban ai jing sneng yeke.
Clear. There was some groups of individuals who had gone to some of the shops. This is the initial report that's come to me, but we are still working on the details. And when there was some kind of an altercation that took place, and because some of the stuff that they were demanding for or asking for was not given, and some exchange took place of words, that more people came in and they attacked the individual. So it was a very standalone incident, not at all religiously or communally motivated, but it just so happens that the two groups were from two different communities, and hence it is easy to connect those dots and then try to give it a communal or religious color. I'm very clear, it's not. We have asked and studied all the background of the individuals. They are not related to any particular organization or any kind of communal issue or anything like that. It was a standalone incident that happened between two groups, and as per law, whatever action has to be taken will be taken. And I appeal to everybody not to give this kind of incident or any other incident that is there a communal color from day one. This is not correct, as it leads to unnecessary tension. But this incident, as I said, was completely between two groups and two individuals, which had nothing to do with religion. Initial reports that come in, and yes, if it is necessary, because as I said, if you look at the whole situation, if the NGOs are saying these were not their people, then who were these people? So obviously there has to be some kind of a system to find out who was there, who are these people, and what was their intention. So therefore, yes, initially prima facie there looks like a very kind of a complicated situation, and which may require further investigation. But at this point in time, I would say that let the police do its job, and then we will see how to move forward.
Well, police are blamed as being the agents of the government.
It's easy to put blame on anybody, and police was doing their duty. They defended whoever was inside there. They were defending the NGOs, leaders who were inside, who could not leave, who were also with me. They could not go out because they were also being attacked. So tomorrow somebody could say that the police are the agents of the NGO also. So you can come to any kind of conclusion and connect two dots. That is something that I have no comment on. As I said, I'm repeating myself. The police will go ahead with the investigation and with their actions based on evidence and nothing else.
So